Recently, I've been more and more interested in the idea of simplifying travel by using only a sling bag for short weekend trips. Today, I want to do something similar by packing up a 6-liter clamshell-style briefcase for an overnight business trip, because I think this is a really stress-free, simple, and sophisticated way to travel. This is the 176 Essential Briefcase from Grams28. And as you can see, this thing is absolutely gorgeous and by far the most luxurious bag that I own. It's made with Italian leather and comes in a pretty compact 6-liter size. Now, this type of packing is definitely not going to be for everyone, but if you're looking to really simplify your travel, let's check out the features of this briefcase while packing it up for an overnight trip. So the first thing you'll notice about this briefcase from Grams is just how beautiful this leather is and how soft it is to the touch. This is just a very, very premium bag, and yeah, I highly suggest this. It's definitely a little bit on the pricier side, but if you are splurging for work, this is a really, really great option. So let's quickly look at the bag. You have 2 handles on the top. In the front here, you have a magnetic closure that opens up into 3 little mesh pockets in here. On the back, you're gonna find a small little passport pocket, as well as a luggage pass-through. Now, you're also going to have these little attachment points right here and right here, and that is for a shoulder strap. This bag also comes with a shoulder strap that you can attach if you do want to carry it that way instead of with the handles. So now, looking at the inside of the bag, first of all, you'll see you do have these nice little like PU coated zippers, so you're not going to get anything inside of there. And those open pretty nicely. They have a nice feel to them. Inside the bag, everything opens up clamshell style, which is super cool. And one of the reasons why I immediately thought this would be perfect for an overnight trip is because of this layout in the bag. So like I said, this thing is 6 liters, and let's go ahead and pack it up while looking at these internal pockets. So the first thing we'll pack is a laptop. This is a 13-inch laptop, but this bag actually fits up to a 16-inch here in this back padded pocket. In front of that, you're gonna have a sleeve here. You can put something in there like a Kindle or an iPad. For this trip, I'm going to just bring a book. So we have a book right here in that spot. Now moving over to the other side of the bag, let's go ahead and pack out this side. And let's start by adding our little charger brick. So we can put that in one of these pockets here. This other pocket, also equal in size right here. Let's go ahead and put a notebook as well as a pen. So those fit in there very nicely. Now this pocket, which is also like more for like pens, I'm just gonna put my charging cord in here. You can kind of like fold this up nicely and slide that into that area. So that fits pretty well there. So now there's also this zipper pocket in here, and in here you're gonna find 2 internal like larger mesh pockets. I don't really have like a huge use for these, so I'll just bring this cord for my computer charger and kind of slip that in one of those pockets. All right, so in addition to that, we're gonna put our clothes obviously in this main pocket, and I have this large expandable and compressible packing cube from the Container Store here, and this is packed out for an overnight trip. So what we have in here is a single pair of boxers, a single pair of socks. We're gonna have an extra pair of pants. These ones are from Western Rise, but these are gonna look great for any kind of business meeting. And then also we have a button-up shirt. This one is from Vuori, so it has that nice like performance material. It's gonna stay nice and unwrinkled in there. All of our clothes, if you're doing kind of this like overnight business trip type packing with just a briefcase, you're definitely going to want to stick with more of your like performance materials, or your like merino wool, stuff like that, because you want to make things as easy as possible and not have to iron or anything, and those type of clothes are great for that. So let's go ahead, zip this up. We also have it laid out so everything's like super flat in here, like very, very thin, which is going to be important for packing out this briefcase that we have here. So in addition to that, we have this little case from Field Notes and Bellroy, which I've used in some of my packing with only a sling bag videos. But yeah, we got just our standard things here: toothpaste, toothbrush, comb, we have deodorant, we have face wash. Yeah, we got a little bit of everything in there. Also, still ran out of the sunscreen, but there's a big place right here for sunscreen. So there you go. Let's put that right here on the side. As you can see, this all fits in there like super nicely. Yeah, very, very snug, but fits perfectly within this main pocket. So if we fold this over, you can just go ahead and zip this thing up. Yeah, I mean, that's fitting really, really nicely in there, which is cool. Let's go to the back of the bag quickly. And in this pocket, go ahead and put our passport. So just slide that right in there so it's easily accessible when we do get to security. And then in this front pocket here, this little magnetic pocket, we do have those 3 areas for things. So go ahead and put this little Moft charger that you can just put on the back of your phone if you do need a little juice. Also back here, we will put our AirPods. So put that in that little pocket in the middle there. And then lastly, of course, we have to have our video game device. We've got our Super Mario Bros. 1 and 2 right here. So we can go ahead and slide that in that 3rd and final pocket. But yeah, we're all packed up for an overnight business trip. So what do you think of this beautiful briefcase from Grams28? Could you travel with just a briefcase for an overnight trip? Be sure to let me know in the comments below. Lastly, let's just check out what I've been listening to this week. And this is the Basic Instinct 12-inch from Madlib's Quasimoto project. And if you haven't heard Quasimoto, it's some really, really interesting stuff. It's Madlib rapping, except he pitches up his voice, so it has this really high voice that you'll hear in all of the tracks, which is really, really cool. It's definitely funky, it's definitely weird, it has some spiritual jazz aspects to it as well, and I also just love the cover of this thing. As you can tell, it is an homage to the 1973 sci-fi movie Fantastic Planet. So yeah, just a really, really cool release all around. And if you like Madlib or you like his other projects like Mad Villain, you're absolutely going to love Quasimoto. He actually appears in this character on the Mad Villain album. So yeah, definitely check this out if you haven't. But with that, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.